When Jesus see the people, he come climb go the mountain top, and him disciples follow am. After he sit down, he come begin teach them say,
God go bless una wey dey poor for spirit, na una go get heaven. God go bless una wey dey mourn, because e go make una happy. God go bless una wey no dey carry body up, una go enjoy him promise for this world. God go bless una wey dey like to do good things, he go give una everything wey una want. God go bless una wey dey sorry for people, una go receive mercy. God go bless una wey get pure heart, na una go see God. God go bless una wey dey make peace, people go call una God's children. God go bless una wey dey suffer because una dey do wetin dey right, na una go enjoy God kingdom for heaven. God go bless una wey people dey curse, dey suffer and lie for una head because of me. Make una happy and make belle sweet una, because na big thing dey wait una for heaven. Make una remember say na so the prophets wey come before una suffer too.